सन्तोषः अस्मि यत् भवन्तः सर्वे गृहकार्यं कृतवान्, परन्तु प्रतिदिनं न कृतवान्। आगामि सप्ताहे अस्माभिः किञ्चित् नूतनतया वाक्यनिर्माणम् उक्त्वा वाक्यखण्डान् शब्दांशान् वाट्साप् मध्ये प्रेषयन्तु सेण्ड्।
आम्
आम्। किं विषये कस्मिन् विषये प्रेषितव्यं? यत्किमपि भवतः कार्यं वर्तते खलु, कार्यं यत्किमपि कार्यं, कार्यस्य विषये एकं वा द्वि वा वाक्यानि प्रेषयन्तु। उदाहरणतया अद्य मम नाम रघुरामः। अद्य अहं संस्कृतकक्ष्यायां दत्त महाभागेन, नारायण पाय महाभागेन इत्यादि महाजनैः सह भाषणं करोमि। Simple sentences. Up to what extent you can do, try to do that. I will send back the mistakes if any, and try to correct it and send it to me back.
Yeah.
So you don't need any work for that. You don't need to take any time. Okay. So try to send simple sentences, as many as possible. Idanim aham mama karyanam chalayami. While you are driving, you can say that karyanam chalayami.
I'm going to work.
Aham mama mitrena saha bhashanam karomi. Aham mama mitrena saha sambhashanam karomi. Uttamam. Aham आगामी सप्ताहे कैलिफोर्निया गमिष्यामि। फ्यूचर टेंस गमिष्यामि। गत सप्ताहे अहं केंटकी प्रांतम् आगच्छम्। Past tense. So you know the present tense, future tense and past tense. So you can try to make sentences with your wordings. No need to write. Send it voice clips. So, as if we can develop our vocabulary. And today, as we are doing the beautiful concept of Bhajagovindam, shall we continue Bhajagovindam?
Can you hear me, Acharya-ji?
Yeah, Swami, Lakshmana Reddy Swami.
अहम एकं प्रश्न करोमि।
पृच्छताम, yeah.
लट लुट लकार लोट लकार तीतः अंति सी तहता they follow that pattern, but how about the past tense? They seem to follow different pattern.
Obviously, abhavat, abhavatam, abhavatam an. We practiced it, man. We practiced it, Swami. Do you remember? Abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan. Abhavah, abhavatam, abhavata. Abhavam, abhavava, abhavama. Tam an.
Especially the Pradhama Purusha and Dvitiya Purusha is somewhat different from the Bhavishya and the present tense.
Okay, I'll show you something today. It's a good question.
Because we haven't done any practice on that.
Okay, no problem.
This week.
We'll do that. We'll do that today.
Yeah.
I want to share a screen now. Okay. Do you remember this now? Taha, taute, you know that. Okay. Now, I'll write the past tense. Okay. Future tense is easy for you, right, Swami?
Yes.
Acharya, can
Swami.
you also write below this saha? Can you also write the sa? The
Yeah, we
feminine,
can.
Satetaha. That ya is extra there. Tau ya.
Yeah, that ya is extra in the second one.
Remaining are same.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
now
I think
the-
you are just connected to future tense, right? Because ishyati is added. Bhavati, bhavishyati, bhavatah, bhavishyatah, bhavanti, bhavishyanti.
Yes, yes.
So
Present
future tense
tense.
is fine. Now go to the past tense.
Yeah.
Saha or sa abhavat. A is common. Ta. What happened here? In this the E deleted. Abhavat. Saha. Again. Tau. Okay. Let me copy this. Okay. Instead of bhavati, it becomes
Abhavat.
abhavat. Next. Instead of bhavataha, abhavatam.
Bhavatam. I see.
Instead of bhavanti, abhavan.
Abhavat.
Instead of bhavasi, abhavaha. Abhavaha, abhavatam. Bhavatha, abhavat. Abhavam, abhavava,
Abhavama.
abhavama. Okay. Now, if the dhatu is changed, it is not bhu dhatu, it is not bhava. It is pasya. What is the structure, Lakshmana Reddy Swami? Instead of bhava, add pasya.
Right.
Apashyat, apashyatam, apashyan,
Pashyan.
apashyaha, apashyatam, apashyata, apashyam, apashyava, apashyama. See, I'll change the dhatu into red.
Now this visarga drops off.
Abhavaha, it will be there.
But here in the last line, you dropped off the visarga.
No? Where?
In the
Abhavam,
very last
abhavava, abhavama. That's it. No
There is
visarga.
no visarga.
No
There is
visarga.
no visarga. Okay.
Okay, instead of there is visarga, but I'll give gap and do the visarga. Oh, how to give visarga now here? On English, I'll try. Okay. It should be in black. Done. So only red is changed.
There is a extra.
Which one?
Abhavata. It should be abhavata.
Should be Okay. It is ava actually. So dirgha came into this side. I can't divide the dirgham from vakara. Okay, it should be abhavama. Abhavava, abhavama. Now try to do the same, Swami. Do with gacha.
Yeah.
Agachatam, agachan, agachaha, agachat,
Agachaha.
agachaha, agachatam, agachata, agacham, agachava, agachama.
Fantastic. Now tell with piba, Lakshmana Reddy Swami, piba.
Okay. Saha apibat.
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 Hmm.
Tau apibatam.
Very good.
Te apibetan.
Apiban.
Apiban.
Very good.
Tvam pibaha.
Apibaha. Ah is there.
Apibaha.
Hmm.
Yuam apibatam.
Ah.
Yuyam apibatat,
apibata,
pibata,
ah,
aham pibam, apibam,
apibam,
apibam, avam apibava,
ah,
vayam apibama.
that's it. Bhikshupati Swami, try to say Krida.
Saha akridat.
Very good.
Tau akridatam.
Ah,
Te akridan.
there is no it is a.
Yes.
Oh, te akridan. Okay.
Akridan, akridan.
Akridan. Akridan.
Hmm.
Tam akridaha.
Mm-hmm.
Yuvam akridatam.
Yuvam.
Yuvam akridam.
Mm-hmm. Akridatam.
Tam. Okay.
Hmm.
Yuvam akridatam.
Mm-hmm.
Yuyam
Yuvam, Swami. Yuvam akridatam.
Yuvam akridatam.
Hmm.
Yuyam akridata.
Very good.
Aham akridatam.
Akridata is there?
Akridam. Sir. Aham akridam.
Mm-hmm.
Avam akridava.
Avam. Actually, it's my mistake.
Avam,
It should be
okay,
avam.
Avam akridava.
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 Hmm.
Vayam akridama.
Super. Fantastic.
Vayam. Vayam is dirgham, right?
No, Vayam. It is right.
Vayam. Okay, Vayam.
Okay,
Now,
in that way. So,
is written under te. It should be abhavatam. Is written.
Yeah, ek dirgha is there.
where,
In-
Swami?
In the
Tau and te. Tau and te.
Te.
Abhavatam. Yeah, the
Pradhama Purusha Dvivachanam.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ah,
that's
fantastic. You should identify like that. Good, good.
That's correct.
That's correct. Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Super. So in that way, those things are same. Dhatu will change. This is for past tense. So present tense and future tense looks same. Past tense, you can find akara and little suffix change. That's it.
Okay, we'll do a couple of days this homework so that we
That's
get
it. That's
used
it. If
to
you do a little 2-3 days homework, whenever you find past tense, you can identify it easily.
So the gender does not affect the dhatu.
No, gender bias is not there here.
Okay.
Sa, she, tvam, aham. Any male or female, we talk to them like you and I. So there is no difference.
Acharya Garu, but the sa is gender, right? Sa
Yeah,
is for me.
That's what. Only
Okay.
there it matters.
Only the third person.
No, there also, if you add a name, that doesn't matter. Na?
Okay.
If there is
Yeah.
no name, you should identify whether masculine or feminine. If masculine saha, feminine sa.
So when you say Rama or Rama,
Ramaha abhavat, Rama abhavat.
yeah, that's the same dhatu.
If you remove sa and saha and sa are actually nouns, na?
Right.
Yeah, there is no change in dhatu. That is the point here.
There is no change in dhatu. This is actually
That's correct.
noun. No, pronouns actually. These are pronouns.
Yeah.
Noun, instead of noun, we use pronouns.
So the dhatu is unaffected by the gender.
True.
Okay.
Acharya-ji, I'll be back in a minute.
No problem. Okay. Today we'll start possible Bhajagovindam. Wow, I missed it. Wow. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam. Yeah. How many completed, Swami? Like 6, I think, na? Yeah, 5 completed.
We completed 5.
Yavat vittoparjana saktah tavan nija parivaro raktah पश्चात् जीवति जर्जर देहे वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेहे. Next one. Next one, Swami. Hope you are able to see the screen. No, na?
No, we are able to see the screen.
Able to see the screen of Bhajagovindam?
Not
No.
Bhajagovind. Previous
Yeah.
screen.
No, I'll share it. Now,
Yes.
Yes.
Swami, script is okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Size is,
Bhikshapati Swami, sorry, Dutt Swami.
yeah, it's okay. I can read it.
Yeah, or I can just scroll it.
You can increase the font. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, is it okay now?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's very good.
Yeah, it's a beautiful shloka telling that we are living a materialistic life. Again, living in the materialistic life, thinking it as permanent. When I was at 20, my mother asked me to take a house, you should build a house. At the time, my salary is not even 4,000. I couldn't bear it. I couldn't concentrate on it. But the cost of the house is some 2 lakhs or like that. I couldn't afford that. Within 2-3 years, there is a boom. It turned into 18 lakh. So 2 lakh property turned into 18. At that time, I found like, array, I missed it. From then I tried to build a house. After building a house, okay, that's fine. Someone told like you should have a property. I tried to buy a land. Like we have continuously concentrating on things, but not the reality. Those things will not help me out. Yavat pavano nivasati dehe. Tell me, Swami, Yavat, what is Yavat?
Whenever.
Until. Yavat tavat.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Up to when? Yavat, up to when? Tavat, up to then.
Until the
Yavat?
wind lasts.
Up to when? Ya is a
Until the
question.
wind.
Up to when? Tavat, until then. Yavat tavat. Yavat Ramaha asti, tavat kashtaha nasti. Or tavat shatruho nasti. Yavat shaktihi asti, tavat raksha asti. Yavat bhojanam, tavat shakti. I think this is right statement. Once again,
Yavat Bhojan Tavat Shakti.
give any example, Yavat tavat.
Yavat tam gacchasi aham na gacchami.
Where is tavat here?
Yeah, okay. Yavat tam gacchasi tavat aham na gacchami.
Very good, Uttamam. Any other thing?
Yavat
Bhikshupati Swami?
yavat patati tavat pariksha na safalam karoti.
Yavat pathati
Patati.
tavat pariksham dadati. What's your statement in English?
Like unless you study, you can't pass.
Where is unless?
Oh, it's not. Tavat is not unless. Up to then. Okay.
Tavat is up to then.
Yadathada. That
There is
is
a
yadathada.
Sanskrit line. Yavat vittam tavat tailam.
Okay.
What is that?
Yavat vittam tavat tailam. Means without money. No.
Yavat vittam. Up to what extent money you have, tavat tailam you will get.
Tailam means
What is tailam?
Oil.
Oil.
Tilat agatam tailam, oil.
oil. Okay.
You will get oil. How much oil you will get? Up to the money you will give.
Okay.
Evam. Yavat vidyut tavat jyoti. What is vidyut?
Current.
Current.
Power.
Jyoti. Light.
Light.
Up to what volt current will get, that much volt light will get. Yavat patah tavat vidya.
Yeah.
Yavat jnanam tavad udyogam. Yavat bhavam tavat bhasha. What is the limit of language? until we have the capacity of imagination. Yavat bhavam, how much you express, that much language we have. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So yavat tavat, I think you understand. Yavat is up to when, tavat up to then. Okay, what is pavanaha?
Wind.
Wind is also called as pranam, air.
Prana, yes.
Which dhatu it is? Pavana shabda. Sorry, it's not dhatu. Pavana shabda.
Power.
Okay. Pavanaha. Okay. Next, nivasati. What
Lives.
is nivasati here? Is it a dhatu or a shabda?
Shabda.
Dhatu.
Dhatu.
It's a
Nivasati.
dhatu.
Bhavati.
Dhatu. Yeah.
Live.
Nivasati. Nivasataha. Nivasanti. Okay. Yavat pavanaha nivasati dehe. What is dehe?
In the body.
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 Which vibhakti?
Saptami vibhakti.
Tamam. Yavat pavanaha nivasati dehe, until when
the
pavanaha, air resides in the body, tavat, up to then, pruchhati. What is pruchhati?
Enquire.
Enquires or questions.
Question.
Pruchhati is a dhatu or a shabda?
Dhatu.
Dhatu.
Which dhatu?
Pradhama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Pruchha dhatu. Very good. Pruchha.
Prucha.
What is past tense pradhama purusha ekavachanam?
Apruchat.
Very good. It is apruchat. Uttam. Nice. Fine. Kushalam. What is kushalam?
Kushalam.
Asking, inquiring good about you. Kushalam. Tvam kushalam. Bhavan kushalam. Kadamasti arogyam kushalam. They ask welfare about you. Where? Gehe. What is gehe?
In the house.
Oh.
Now continue the first and second lines.
Yavat
Yeah.
pavano
Nivasati dehe tavat pruchhati kushalam gehe. Until when you have the breath in your body, till then people will ask you, inquire you about your welfare. How are you? Gatavati vayau. Vayu. Gatavati. What it means?
Left.
Left away. Deha apaye. Deha apaye. Apaya means problem.
Yeah.
Deha apayam, due to the problem of the body. Apaye. Due to the problem of the body, if any reason, due to any reason, the prana, air inside the body, gatavati, past, go away. Bharya.
Wife.
Bibhyati. What is bibhyati? Bhayam eti bibhyati. Afraid
Yes.
of tasmin kaye, on that body. So everyone, the intention of telling this is, everyone generally will not touch the dead body. Till then, it is my body. Wife hugs the body, children hugs the body, touch the body, everything they do. But even after that, the body to which we feel like own, it is my body. Husband feels wife's body as mine. Wife feels husband's body is mine. But even then, that love and that affection till the end of the life, up to 80 years, 90 years, even then, the bharya may be frightened to just touch the corpse. So, don't feel that this body is permanent. Don't feel that things or properties are permanent. So, what you should do? Bhajagovindam, 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 Mudhamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kale, Nahi Nahi Rakshati Dukri Karane, Yavat Pavano Nivasati Dehe, Tavat Pruchhati Kushalam Gehe. Everybody laugh. Gatavati vayau, deha paye, bharya bibhyati tasmin kaye. You wanted to earn money for your family. You want to earn properties for the well-being and happiness of your next generations, wife, children, grandchildren, etc. But after air going out of the body, everyone will be frightened to touch your body. So don't feel like, don't feel so attractive, or what we can say, don't feel so effective towards your body or materialistic life. Can anyone read this continuously, Swami? Lakshmana Reddy Swami, can you try?
Tasmin
Yeah.
means touch. What is
Tasmin on that. Kasmin on which? Yasmin. Tasmin. Yasmin on which? Tasmin on that.
Oh, Tasmin is.
Kasmin is a question.
Yes, yes.
Ekasmin on one particular thing. Anyasmin on the other thing. Sarvasmin on everything.
Okay.
Tasmin kaye, on that body, bharya bibhyati. Even wife will be afraid of touching it. Lakshmana Reddy Swami, can you read this entire shlokam?
Yeah. From the top, huh?
Yeah, yavat pavano.
Yavat bhavano nivasati dehe tavat pruchati kushalam gehe gatavati vayau deha paye bharya bibhyati tasmin khaye.
Very good. Did you find the meaning of every word here in this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So bibhyati can get some clarification.
Frightened.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bibhyati. Tell me the dhatu of bibhyati.
Bibhyati dhatu ti. Yeah.
Vibhya.
Bibhyati, bibhyataha, bibhyanti.
Bibhyanti.
Bibhyasi, bibhyathaha, bibhyatha.
Pradhama
Bibhyami,
purusha
bibhyava.
ekavachanam. Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Once I want you to just read from the beginning. That Swami, Bhajagovindam, start.
Bhajagovindam, Bhajagovindam, Govindam, Bhaja Mudamate. Samprapte, Sanihite Kale, Nahi Nahi Rakshati, Dukkham Karane.
Narayan Pai Swami, second one.
Yeah. Moda jahihi dhanagama trishnam.
Dhanagama trishna.
Dhanagama trishnam. Kuru sada buddhim. Manasi vitrishnam.
Vitrishnam.
Yallabase.
Yallabase.
Nija karmopatam. Vittam tena vinodaya chittam.
Very good. Next, Bhikshapati Swami, third one. Your mic is off, Swami. Yeah.
Nari Stanabhara.
Stanabhara.
Stanabhara. Nabhivesham. Dushmaga mohavesham. Etan mamsa vasadi vikaram. Manasi vichintaya varam varam.
Uttamam. Vasudha Mata, next.
Nalini dalagata jalamati taralam.
Wow.
Tad jivita atishaya chapalam.
Tadvat jivitam atishaya chapalam.
Yeah, tad. Can you please repeat that, Acharya Garu?
Tadvat jivitam.
Okay. Tadvat jivitam atishaya chapalam. Vidhi vyadhyabhimana.
Vidhi vyadhi abhimanagrastam.
Vidhi vyadhi abhimanagrastam. Lokam shokahatam cha samastam.
Uttamam. Next one. Yavat vitto parjana saktaha tavat nija parivaro raktaha paschat jivati jarjara dehe vartanko pina pruchhati gehe. Next one is yavat pavano nivasati dehe tavat pruchhati kushalam gehe gatavati vayo deha paye bharya bibhyati tasmin kaye. Very good. Okay, I think I have. Okay. I got it. Next one. So seventh one, Swami.
We can't see
Stop
Acharya.
share. Just a second. I'm sharing a last, yeah, I can just change things here. I can't change in PDF. Okay, now, so I'm able to see the screen now. Seventh one.
Yes.
Yes. No.
5, 6, 7.
No.
Yeah. Balah tavat kridasaktah. Repeat after me. Balah tavat. Balastavat. Actually, balastavat is balah tavat.
Balah tavat.
Visarga turned into sakara. Balastavat kridasaktah. Uttamam. Balastavat kridasaktah. What is balaha?
Boy.
Boy. Very good. Tavat.
Until then.
Until then, up to then.
Until boy, you are krida asaktah. Krida asaktah.
Interested in game.
Balastavat krida asaktah. Until you are child, you are interested in playing. Tarunastavad. Until you are young. Until you are young. Taruni saktah. He is interested in a young girl. Until you are a young boy, you are interested in a young girl. Until you are a boy, until you are a child, balaha, you are interested in games. Until you are a youngster, you are interested towards a young woman, a young girl. Vruddhastavad. Until you are old, chintamagnaha. You have lot of chinta. I told you, na, chinta bahutaram trunat. You have lot of chinta as if more than the grass on the earth. What is chinta here?
Worry.
Worries. How many worries we have?
Lots of worries.
Many things are there. If you are learning Sanskrit, your subconscious mind may ask you to, why are you not learning German? That is chinta. If you are learning German, it asks, why are you not learning Italian? Chinta. If you are thinking about elder son, what my elder son might be doing? Some other question will come. Why not you asking about younger son? What he might be doing? Okay, what you did till now? I did a lot of things. What lot of things you did? Again, question after question, question after question. It gives you a lot of worries. How much time you will get to select one shirt in a shop? We require a shirt, go buy it and come back. No, we'll see almost 10 shirts. Are you happy with the shirt which you have received, which you took? No. I might be thinking about the another shirts. Properties, rate increased, happy. Rate decreased, feeling bad. So everywhere we have worries. So vruddhastavat chinta magnaha. See, the concept of Shankaracharya is people are busy. A child is busy in playing. Youngster is busy in attracting or getting attracted. Old person is busy in always thinking, worrying. But Pare Brahmani, on the Supreme God, Kopi, no one, Kaha api, na lagnaha. Not attached, not interested. So people, no one is interested in spirituality. Balastavat krida saktah, tarunastavat taruni saktah, vruddhastavat chinta magnaha, pare brahmani kopina lagnaha. He is feeling very bad. That no one is concentrating on the real thought. No one is concentrating on a real Almighty. Because the lifespan, 84 lakh lives completed. Last one is human being's life. If you have that consciousness, you will get liberated, moksham. If you don't think about that liberation, again you need to take all the 84 lakh lives. You are not knowing it. You are busy in playing, busy in attracting, or busy in thinking about all the useless worries, but you are not thinking about the real problem. That is his problem. That is his concept. Once again, balastavat krida saktah, tarunastavat taruni saktah,
तरुणस्तावत्
तरुणीसक्तः
वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तामग्नः
वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तामग्नः
परे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न लग्नः. So what you should do? Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudhamate, Samprapte, Sannihite Kale. When the time comes to you, Krida will not protect you, Taruni will not protect you, Chinta will not protect you, but Parabrahma will protect you. So think about it. That is his concept.
Here, Taruna means what is Taruna?
Taruna, youngster,
young man.
young
And
man,
means
is interested in
man. Oh, it's a male gender for Taruni.
Taruni, that's it.
Taruna, Taruni.
Tarunaha. Taruna is not there. Tarunaha, Taruni.
Tarunaha, Taruni.
Okay, Narayan Paji, can you read this? Balastavat?
Yeah. Balastavat क्रीडासक्तः तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीसक्तः वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तामग्नः परे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न लग्नः.
कोऽपि न लग्नः. Kopi, you can tell it as Kopi. Koऽपि न लग्नः. Uttamam, Uttamam. Can you go to next one? Is that is clear everything in all the words are in this?
Yes.
Yes.
Next one. Generally we feel like everything is mine. Whose pen is this? It is mine. Whose class is this? Is mine. Whose dress is this? Is mine. Shankaracharya's question you. Kate Kanta. Who is your wife? Kaste Putraha. Who is your son? Samsaraha. The samsara, the family herd. Ayam is, you know ayam, na? Ayam, imau, ime, we read this. Ayam is this. Ativa Vichitraha. Very funny, very like amazing. Samsaram is amazing. We feel like she is my wife, he is my son. This is my family. It is like Ativa Vichitraha. I find it very like amazing, you know. Kasya Tvam. You belong to whom? Are you belong to your wife? Are you belong to your son? Are you belong to this country or state? You feel like this is mine? Because you are not permanent. You are just a temporary body. We have a Bhagavad Gita shloka also. Like we change the body as a cloth. As we change cloths on the body, the soul changes the body as cloth. So when you are not permanent, when you are just temporary, kasyatvam, you belong to whom? Kuta ayataha, you come from where? Tatvam chintaya dahati bhrata. Oh my dear brother, bhrataha, just tatvam chintaya, think logically. Dahati, that burns you, that makes you to think real. Oh bhrataha, tatvam chintaya, that will dahati, that will burn you. Is it real life? Is it things are required? After experiencing all these things up to coming 80 age, now think about yourself. Is all important? Still thinking about wife, still thinking about children. At the age of 50, you should leave everything. Okay, at least at age of 70, 75, you should leave everything. Still you are holding that my wife, my children, my property, my shares, my market. Tattvam chintaya. Think about the logic. If you really think about the logic, then the body will burn you like to think more about the Almighty. What you should think always? Kasyatvam. You belong to whom? Are you belong to the universe? Or you belong to the nature? Or you belong to your wife or children? Kuta ayataha. You come from where? Are you coming only from your mother's body? Or your soul is traveling from many bodies to reach the Almighty as moksha, liberation? Think about it. That's why. How you do that? Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Mudhamate, Samprapte, Sannihite Kale, Kanta Narakshati, Putraha Narakshati, samsaram na rakshati, parantu tattvam rakshati. You think about that, that will help you. Repeat after me. Kate kanta,
Ate kanta,
kaste putraha,
kaste putraha,
samsaraha,
samsaraha,
ayam ativa vichitraha,
ayam ativa vichitraha,
kasyatvam,
kasyatvam,
kasyatvam va,
kasyatyam va,
kasyatvam va,
kasyatvam va,
uta ayataha,
kuta ayata,
tatvam chintaya,
tattvam chintaya,
dahati bhrataha,
tahati prataha.
dahati bhrataha.
I think that word you may have to rewrite it, Acharyaji.
Which one?
Tadiha.
Tat iha. No, that's okay. So first time we'll do that. Second time we should understand that. That's right actually.
Okay.
Tat plus iha.
Tat hiha means?
Iha. Here.
Tat hiha
Tattvam
brata.
chintaya tadiha brataha. You start thinking about that, brother. You
Okay.
start thinking about that, brother.
Tadiha. Okay.
So if you divide it always, it will be a disturbance in the meter. So you should not disturb it. For understanding is fine. Tat plus iha becomes tadiha.
But I think, yeah. Okay.
Swami, tell me something here. But I think.
No, I think, okay. Yeah. This sloka gave me more chinta.
Seriously, Swami, like
No,
seriously.
Kate Kanta means who is your wife? Is it or what?
Yeah, who is your wife?
Okay.
What is the meaning of wife? Who is your wife? See, in general social conditions, wife is one to whom I married.
Yeah.
But real Kanta, real Bharya, who is like following you. So there are many things who follows me. So that is also my Bharya only. Bharta is who bears. Sometimes Bhagavan is also called as Bharta. Raja, king is also called as Bharta. Bhupati, Bhumihi, Bhumyaha Patihi, Bhupatihi is a husband of the earth. Can you consider Raja as husband of the earth? But he bears the earth, so he is considered as husband. In that way, how many wives we have, how many Bhartas we have, son, how many sons we have? To whom you give birth is a son. To whom you make them to study, encourage us to study is a son. If you do Upadesha is a son. Children, students are also considered as your children, son only. Students. So in that way, how many children you have? So now tell me, who is your wife and who is your son? And what is your samsara? Many people will complain, husband, that office is your second wife, second home. You always spend your time in office itself. Don't come to home. Like you won't come to home. So what is your family enough? Is your office is a family or house is a family? When you are with your friends, people will complain you. You will forget everything about your family and think when you are with your friends. Now tell me, where is your son? Kate kanta, kaste putraha, samsaraha, ayam ativa vichitraha. Very amazing. Just think about yourself. Who are you, from where you are, and what is your journey, and what's your destination? Is my destination is to earn money and just feed my family, like wife and children? I'll do that. Until when? Until my last breath. What I'll get by doing that? Okay, if there is a household lady, she starts learning something, she gets married, she starts cooking food for the children every day 24/7. She just offers food till the last breath. What she'll get by doing that? Don't tell that happiness, the satisfaction. If I feed my family, it will be like filling my stomach. No, don't tell all these things. What you are getting by doing all these things? As we are living together, we are helping each other, it's fine. But what is the benefit of doing that? He already told you, until I have money, someone helps me out. If I don't provide money or food, if they leaves me, is it right? Is it ethical? Still we are doing the same. That's why he's asking a question. Why are you concentrating on immaterial life? Give the things priority up to some extent. Yeah, it is your duty to provide food and shelter to everybody. After providing everything, again, don't concentrate on it. Enough. Now start thinking about you. See, Shankaracharya is not blaming everybody. Everybody should do their duties. Until you are brahmachari, you should study. Until you are grahastha, up to 50, take care of the family. Up to 75, go to the forest, jungle, or live the life and just know about you. From 75, teach everything to everybody to be what is reality. But forgetting all these things, even up to 80, thinking about the same wife, same children, same money, same property. Just think about you, man. Think about the liberation. Or else again, you need to take all the 83,99,900 lives. Is that okay for you?
That is scary.
That is scary. That is the point which we need to think. Not about living wife now. Acharya ji told a good sloka, I live my life, wife and children and property. No, that's not the thing. So if you are okay with the provisions of everything, if you are providing everything to the family in a right time, in a right way, now start thinking about you. He's not asking you to leave everything. Start thinking about you. You will get a saturation stage where you will come to know what you are and how you are and where you are from and what's your destiny. Kate, Kanta, Kaste, Putraha, Samsaraha, Ayam Ativa Vichitraha. And in reality, Swami, everyone, even though if they are not leaving the family, they start one or the other way, one or the other situation, they definitely think. You all might have thought about this also. But this is actually principled, like what you can say, Siddhanti Krita. He told that we are just rethinking again. You all might have thought, okay, well, the things what I should give to my wife, I think I gave it. Children, okay, I gave enough education, enough money and properties to them. That's good. Okay, what should I do now? What's my destiny? How many thoughts, Swami? Generally, you might have thought. That's natural. While driving or while just sitting alone or somewhere, you might have thought about that. But Acharya is asking, Shankaracharya is asking to think it in a serious manner. Not casually, think seriously. Kate Kanta, Kaste Putraha, Samsaraha, Ayamativa Vichitraha, Kasyatvam va, Kuta Ayataha, Tattvam Chintaya Dahati Bhrataha.
Right on.
Okay. So, Bhikshapati Swami, can you read this?
Kate Kanta Kaste Putraha Samsare Ayam Tiva Vichitra.
Samsaraha Ayam Ativa Vichitraha.
Samsaraha Ayam Ativa Vichitraha. Kasyatvam va Kut Ayataha.
Kuta Ayataha.
Kuta Ayataha.
Swami, remember, if there is like this, a small mark under a letter, it is Kut. Or else it is?
Otherwise it's Kuta.
Kuta Ayataha. Next.
Kasyatvam va Kuta Ayataha. Tvam Chintaya
Tattvam Chintaya.
Tattvam Chintaya Tadiha Bhrata.
Tadiha Bhrataha.
Tadiha Bhrataha.
Very good. Bhaja Govindam. Continue that.
Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam. Dam Modamate.
Govindam Bhaja Modhamate.
Govindam
Bhaja Modamate.
Samprapte Sannihite Kale.
Samprapte Sannihite Kale.
Nahi Nahi Rakshate Dukri Karane.
Nahi Rakshati Dukri Karane.
Now, the next one is a very beautiful and which is very known to everybody. What is the process of getting this tattva? Because the shloka is linked with each other now. What is tattvam? Logic. How to think about it? What makes you to think about that tattvam? It's not that easy. If you think idly, though, you won't get it. You need to reach somebody. You need to go to some books. You need to reach some destination. Then only you'll get it. What you need to do? Very simple and strong. Repeat after me. Satsangatve.
Satsangatve.
Nissangatvam.
Nissangatvam.
Nissangatve.
Nissangatve.
Nirmohatvam.
Nirmohatvam.
Nirmohatve.
Nirmohatve.
Nischala Tattvam.
Nischala Tattvam.
Nischala Tattve.
Nischala Tattve.
Jivan Muktihi.
Jivan Muktihi.
You need to learn the A. Sorry, you need to reach the A. If you reach the A, you will get the B. After getting B, from B, you will get C. After getting C, from C, you will get D. After getting D, you will get the salvation. What is A? Satsangatva. What is Satsangatva? Association of Satsanga. Good association.
Good man.
Good men like scholars, teachers, saints. Why all people will run behind the saints like Shankaracharya, Maharishi Dayananda, or Ramana Maharshi, or Sachidananda Swami, or like Bharati Tirtha? Why people run behind them? Why people go behind them? Those are Satsanga, people who maintain good. What is Satsanga? People who maintain good for themselves are called as Satjana. Satjana is not only good people. People who follow good are considered as good people. With association with them, it gives you Nissangatvam. What is Nissangatvam? What is Sangha?
Association.
Here Sangha is same, na? Sat Sangha is good association. What is Nissanga?
Dissociation.
Disassociation. Very good. But that is detachment. When you are moving with saints, good following people, then you'll realize what to avoid and what to hold. What to get detached and what to get associated. Even with the good people. Sometimes we don't know what not to think. If I ask you to close your eyes without thinking anything, then only all the rubbish will come into mind. With the association of good people, you will come to know how to get detached with the wrong things and useless things. Satsangatve Nissangatva. When you get habituated to get detached, what happens? Nirmohatvam. Moham is interest or desires. We call it as delusion. When you have Nisangatam, then you will get delusion. When you do that, Nirmohatte, when you have no desires in mind, you know what to avoid, then you will get Nischala Tattvam. What is Chala? What is Chalati?
Moving,
Moving. Nischala.
not moving.
What is Tattvam?
Principle.
Principle, logic. When you have Nirmoha, then your mind will be constant. Did I tell you there is a good book called Yoga, Patanjala Yoga Sutra? Do you ever heard about it?
Yes.
Yes,
Patanjala
yes.
Yoga Sutra. You know the first formula of Patanjala Yoga Sutra? Adha Yoga Anushasanam. He tells that from now, I am telling yoga. The first formula is yoga. What is meant by yoga? Chitta Vritti Nirodha. If your mind is constantly moving, if you make it to just stable is yoga. Making your constantly moving mind to stable is yoga. That's it. How it is possible, he told in 200 formulas. How to control your mind, he told in 200 formulas. But what is yoga, he told in one sutra, that is yoga, chitta vritti, the nature of heart, nirodha, control. Control of the nature of heart. If it is unstable, bringing it to constant, stable is called as yoga. Okay? Nischala. When you will get that yoga siddhi, when you get nischala, first with the association of good, then you will get detachment. From the detachment, you will have delusion. With delusion, you will have nischala tattva. If you have that nischala tattve, in that jivan mukti. There you can find moksha. For moksha, what we need, Swami? Which is very important?
Satsanga.
No.
Nischala tattva.
Nischala tattva. To get that nischala tattva, what you need?
Nirmala.
Nirmohatvam.
Nirmohat.
For nirmohatvam, what you need?
Nisangatvam.
Nisangatvam. How you can attain?
Satsanga.
Sangatvam.
Nah, actually, there are few beautiful things in Sanskritam which you should learn from, like in reverse, as numbers. I told you numbers, na? Numbers will be always in reverse. You should understand in reverse. Even this shloka to be understood in reverse only. What is your ultimate destination? If your destination is Jivan Mukti, for that you need to reach
Sangatvam.
Nischala Tattva. To reach that Nischala Tattva, you need Nirmohatva. To reach that Nirmohatva, we need Nisangatva. To attain Nisangatva, we need Satsanga, the association of good. So what is the first step to get Jivan Mukti?
Satsanga.
Sangatvam.
Excellent one. Immediately, with that, what we get?
Nisangatvam.
Okay. After reaching Nisangatva, what we should learn from it?
Nirmohatvam.
Nirmohatva.
Very good. After Nirmohatva, what we'll attain?
Nischala.
Nischala Tattvam. Super. What will be the position of Nischala Tattva? What it makes you do?
Jivan.
So, repeat after me. Satsangatve Nisangatvam.
Satsangatve Nisangatvam.
Nisangatve Nirmohatvam.
Nisangatve Nirmohatvam.
Nirmohatve Nischala Tattvam.
Nirmohatve Nischala Tattvam.
Nischala Tattve Jivan Mukti.
Nischala Tattve Jivan Mukti.
Satsangatve Nisangatvam.
Satsangatve Nisangatvam.
Nisangatve Nirmohatvam.
Nisangatve Nirmohatvam.
Nirmohatve Nischala Tattvam.
Nirmohatve Nischala Tattvam.
Nischala Tattve Jivan Mukti.
Nischala Tattve Jivan Mukti.
Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam Mudhamate.
Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam Mudhamate.
Samprapte Sannihite Kale.
Samprapte Sannihite Kale.
Nahi nahi rakshati dukri karane.
Nahi rakshati dukri karane.
Among these associations, praying Bhaja Govinda is also one association. With that you may get Nisangatva. With that Nirmohatva. With that Nischala Tattva, you may go reach Jivan Mukti. I want you all to read this, Swami, starting with Daji.
Satsangatve Nisangatvam. Nisangatve
Nirmohatvam.
Nirmohatvam. Nirmohatvam Tatve Nischala Tattvam. Nischala Tattve Jivan Mukti.
Very good. Narayan Pai Swami.
Yeah. Satsangatve Nisangatvam. Nisangatve Nirmohatvam. Nirmohatve Nischala Tattvam. Nischala Tattve Jivana Mukti.
Dikshapati Swami.
Satsangatve Nisangatvam. Nisangatve Nirmohatvam. Nirmohatve Nishalatattvam. Nishalatattve Jivan Mukti.
Lakshmana Swami.
Satsangatve Nisangatvam. Nisangatve Nirmohatvam. Nirmohatve Nischala Tattvam. Nischala Tattve Jivan Mukti.
Vasudha Mata.
Satsangatve Nisangatvam. Nisangatve Nirmohatvam. Nirmohatve Nischala Tattvam. Nischala Tattve Jivan Mukti.
Continue Bhaja Govindam.
Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja
Bhaja
Govindam.
Govindam.
Govindam, Bhaja
Mudhamate.
Mudhamate.
Samprapte
Samprapte
Sannihita Kale.
Sannihita Kale.
Sannihite Kale.
Kale.
Sannihite Kale.
Kale.
Nahi,
Nahi
nahi.
nahi.
Rakshati Dukri
Rakshati
Karane.
Dukri Karane.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Very good. Nice, na Swami, today. Learn something thoughtful.
Yeah, this is a spiritual class.
No,
Tattvam.
Sanskritam class. If you get that attachment, you went into spiritual mode. Everyone won't
Yeah.
get attached, Swami. Everyone won't get that idea of spirituality.
Yeah, and incidentally, I'm attending a Patanjali Yoga Sutra sessions from
Oh.
tomorrow,
Oh,
every Monday.
okay.
Yeah, so one hour every Monday. Yeah, if anyone
That's a
is-
beautiful Yoga Sutras. I studied in my PG. I was get attracted to it, and I used to have all the sudras in like I had it, and I used to take classes in my PG. All my professors left those classes on me. I used to teach PG classes when I'm studying. So beautiful, like what is yoga, Patanjali Yoga Sutram, how it reaches you, and what are the stages, and how many pramanas. Who is the Ishvara? It is like such a purvesham api guruhu kalena navachhedat. He's a teacher for all the teachers, it seems. If you go back, your teacher is Ishvara, his master is Ishvara, his master is Ishvara. If you go like that, the last person is the real Ishvara. Like tasya vachakah pranavaha. What teacher does? Always says Om. So even you can do that. So if you follow that teacher's action, you will get you can try to control the mind's movements. Like that's a beautiful thing. You'll enjoy really.
Thank you.
Yoga and Shasana. Super. Okay, Swami, shall we conclude here for today?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
We'll continue next class. So from tomorrow, every day, everyone try to post past tense sentences. Along with that, your experiences of your life. Every day, at least 5 from everyone. Not 1 at a time. Not all 5 at a time. Okay. All 5 sentences in one post. No. Think about it. Just 1 sentence at one time. Again, after some time, whenever you have free time, just type another sentence. After some time, just post another sentence, like record another sentence. Okay. So I'll try to correct everybody's sentences. Okay.
Are we writing or are we vadanti?
Vachyam is always safer for language.
Okay.
Because you can read perfectly, spell perfectly, we can just express perfectly.
Pratnam karomi.
Avasyam pratnam kurvantu. Yam sarve kurvanti. Aham janami tat.
5 sentences each day?
Each day. Newer than the past. Not the repeated sentences. Newer than the others.
Not all 5 at the same time.
Not all 5 at the same time. Such that different timings, different sentences will come. If Datji posts some sentence, Narayana Swami can see it, can change his sentences. Alter his sentences. Later, Bhikshapati Swami will see and change some other expression in some other words. If all 5 together comes in one post, other person may copy it, may get in confused what more I should post. Those difficulties are there. If single post at a time, so that many people will just accommodate in that group with different sentences, different statements, different expressions. I think Narayan Paji is thinking about some problem. I can understand.
Yeah, another way of doing it is, if you give a simple few sentences in English, we can try to translate it into Sanskrit and see if we can do it. That's
okay. Even that I can do.
Yeah, that's a good exercise maybe, because everyone. The problem, only thing is
in the homework, it is your work. In your requisition, even my homework is also there.
Yeah, I mean, we can do some book, English book, a short story book, few sentences, copy from there and try to translate it into Sanskrit. Yeah,
you can do that. You can do that.
Yeah.
See, my intention is how many words you just remembered, how many concepts you remembered, and how you express in your wordings. Vakya is important.
Yeah.
How you are talking is important. Okay, so that too, if expose, why will be encouraged to post some other sentence? In that way, I want everyone to get participated. Okay, Swami. So try to do it from tomorrow. Vande Mataram. Dhanyavadaha. So take care of your health, everyone. Just take request everybody who are in India. Cases are growing. It seems. Ask them to take care and just be careful.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Dhanyavadaha. Narayan Paji, Dhanyavadaha. Bhikshapati Swami, Namaskaram. Vasudha Mata. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Acharya garu.